You're off, David!
Brazil? Did you come all the way from Brazil? Wow. You came to Des Moines, Iowa, all the way from Brazil. No? I'm sorry?
Hey, peekaboo!
You guys didn't come from Brazil. Thank you, and thank you. So we. It's like our first big tour together, you know, and yeah. We like to keep things, you know, fun for everybody, and so we like to throw some covers into the mix every now and then. You know, we want to do stuff that you guys know, and so how many people called Fleetwood Mac? That's promising. That shows promise. Well, hopefully you guys will know this next song. This song is called Little Eye.